Now, click the Property Navigation button at the bottom. This page is the property catalog, which displays all the properties we will create. Inside the catalog, click the plus Create button to start. Two options appear. Create a building complex. This allows us to create a full building with floors and rooms. Create a single property. This allows us to create a standalone unit, room, or house. For this demonstration, let's select Create a building complex. Now we fill in the building details. If this building is part of a larger site, enter the site name first. If there is no site, leave it blank and enter the building name. Next, use the slider to set the number of floors. Below that, use the slider to select the number of rooms on each floor. If you want different floors to have different numbers of rooms, select Custom to adjust each floor individually. Once finished, click Create. We have now successfully created our first property.